Is it you again? It's me again, too. Piano Adventures, Performance Book, Trains A Comin', page 9. Are you ready? Let's talk about the song. We have the picture up here that tells us where we put our hands, don't we? Our right hand, our thumb goes on middle C and the rest of the fingers rest. One white key per finger all the way up. Our left hand, oh, finger number 1 goes on G. Find your G. What do you know? You're in C position, aren't you? Wow. Trains A Comin' is in 4/4 time, so we have 4 beats to each measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yes. Trains A Comin' starts with the right hand. We'll play the song and say the note names first. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. C, 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 left hand, C, F, C, F, E, F, E, F, C, F, E, C, 2, 3, 4, off, 2, 3, 4. And now I'll play again, and I won't be so loud this time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Good job. 4. E, F, G, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, B, C, 2, 3, 4. Off, 2, 3, 4. I know you're going to sound wonderful when we see each other again. Have fun practicing. Thank you.